Normally, I am fighting the sun setting, so my lighting is changing and it just keeps getting darker and darker. Today, the sun is actually coming up, and I'm filming early, and that never happens. Today, we're going to be jumping into the Ipsy Glam Bag X Khloé Kardashian collaboration bundle box. So we're going to do a full unboxing, review, demo, try-on, tutorial, everything in my Khloé Kardashian Ipsy box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Khloé Kardashian Ipsy X box, stay tuned. Alrighty, so for anybody who is new, the Ipsy X box is a quarterly subscription upgrade to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and every single third month they have somebody take over the box. It was Patrick Ta a couple months ago. I honestly don't even remember who the last one was. That is how early it is. But today it is the Khloé Kardashian box. So I have all of the products laid out in front of me. We're going to try like 90% of them, and I'm going to go through a full review. So her little welcome note says, welcome to my world, love. I am so excited to have you. I can't wait for you to experience my Glam Bag X drop. When you grow up with a mom and sisters as glam as mine, makeup and skincare are part of your DNA. So I filled my Glam Bag X with all of my favorite things. Makeup is the ultimate form of self-expression, and I love that I can have a snatched eye one day, a bold lip the other, and I can essentially play a different character every single day. This collection is full of everything you need to experiment, play, and discover your signature look. It's beyond. My Glam Bag X lets you in on all of my beauty secrets, from my go-to products to tips from my inner circle, and exclusive access to my glam team. Basically, you're getting the full VIP treatment. I absolutely love this collab, and I know you will too. Khloé. So, a lot of the products here I'm actually very familiar with. Some I have tried, some I have not, so we're going to jump into all of that together. The one thing I did not mention, this is not sponsored and this is not PR. I do order this myself. It is $50 every 3 months, and you get all of this product. Mine is valued over $400, and we're going to jump into the first item. So, I do love this little, newspaper for the opening, but the first item is from L'Oreal. This is the Pink Diamond. It is a cleansing balm. It retails for $59. Cleansing balms at night are an absolute must for heavy makeup. This one easily dissolves your glam with a luxe melting formula. Plus, it's infused with vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish while you cleanse. After my glam team goes hard with a look, this cleanser is a lifesaver at night. So I'm even more excited for it now that I know that it is a makeup removing balm and not a regular cleanser. But obviously I have no makeup on and my skin is already cleansed. So I'm going to be skipping this today. However, I have used several items from the L'Oreal line and I've yet to be disappointed. I actually keep their banana lowlighter in front of me pretty much at all times for that little bit of brightness on the under eyes. So I'm going to set this to the side. I will let you know either in my next Ipsy unboxing or at some point this month how I feel about this. You know I love the Pharmacy Green Clean for my favorite cleansing balm, but I'm going to have to give this one a try. The next item comes from 111 Skin. It is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This retails for $135. This is Khloé's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and a light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. This looks so fab on my skin, bathroom counter, and this looks so good on my bathroom counter, and even better on my skin. So I'm going to use this as a serum and pseudo skin prep today. As always, do not put your droppers directly on your face. That's how you get bacteria in your bottles. It smells really nice. Niacinamide is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare because it helps to refine the size and appearance of pores and helps with brightness and luminosity, but that's from the rose gold. But my skin is also very sensitive, so the second I rub anything on it, it always gets red and then it calms right back down. So you'll notice the redness already starting to calm down a little bit. This is actually one of the few products that I have not tried in the past. I like how it feels. It's a little tacky, which I think is not a bad thing if you're doing it in the morning. I wouldn't necessarily use this at night, but for a morning product, that little bit of tackiness is good because it's going to have everything stick on it a little bit better. The next item I am very familiar with. I have actually gone through full bottles of this. This is the CEO Glow Oil from Sunday Riley. Dark Spot 2, this fast-absorbing oil is packed with a cocktail of skin brighteners. This size retails for $40. Now, I'm not going to use this today because I don't put oils on under my foundation. I use this on like no makeup days, so it doesn't really make sense for me to use it right now. So I'm going to pass on that and go into the next item. This comes from Complex Culture. This is actually Ipsy's brand, but it is a gua sha, and it says right here, massage your face with this traditional Chinese tool to help minimize puffiness and relieve tension. This retails for $28. I have yet to use one of these, but I've watched 1.5 million videos. There are 3 basic things you want to remember when you're using this. 1, make sure it is clean and sanitized before you put it on your face. I already washed mine. Number 2, you want to always go in an upward motion. And number 3, you want to hold your skin so you're not tugging. So if I was to just pull this here, you see how that pulls my skin? We don't want to do that. So we want to hold this tight. So as we move this, we are not tugging at the skin. So hold down here and lift up, hold up here and pull. This is really just for relieving puffiness and helping to break down any congestion underneath the surface of the skin. I do, again, make sure you are holding so you are not tugging at the skin. It definitely feels nice. It's one of those things where I just have to really get in the habit of using it. But it is the type of product I've been really excited to try. It's very trendy right now. But, I mean, decongesting, depuffing, I think I look okay. So let's jump into the next item. I have also gone through, actually, I did not go through a full bottle of this because I used about half of it and my mother came over and stole it. This was about 2 years ago, but I have used this extensively. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury, retailing for $100. Charlotte's never skipped step to prep her clients. Her iconic magic cream helps to reduce dullness and redness and floods the skin with moisture. Thank you, hyaluronic acid, to plump fine lines. Whenever you apply on top, will look picture perfect. This makes me glow even on my no makeup days. So again, this is a product I am familiar with, so I am going to just take whatever is on that little cap, and that will be plenty. I love how blurring this is. Charlotte Tilbury, if you don't know, is a celebrity makeup artist. Notorious for amazing complexion. So this is like a 3-in-1 brightening product, moisturizer, and primer, because it just leaves the skin super prepped and ready for makeup. I'm going to be honest, we are done with 5 of 8 products, and they have all been skincare and skin prep, and I love that, and I love that this is not just full glam, heavy beat makeup. It's a little more accessible for everyday people. So I'm going to throw on the next few items because I have 3 items left, and they are lip, eye, and eye. So I'm going to come back with my base done, and we will be ready to do eyes and lip. I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and we are ready for the next 3 items in the box. I am going to start on lip because this lip color is not it. I just threw on a quick liner. The next item comes from Tower 28, which I've been raving about their SOS spray for probably like 3 months now. So this is the Shine On Milk Jelly. Retails for $14. Mine is in the shade Coconut. This vegan, cruelty-free, derm-tested gloss is made with plant-based ingredients like, ooh, just kidding, like apricot oil. I'm going to not try that on because that'll kill my husband. My husband is deathly allergic to apricot, so I'm going to put on a different lip and instead jump into the next item in the box. So I guess I'm throwing that in a giveaway. The next item comes from One Size Beauty by Patrick Starr. This is the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Everything and More. It's a really pretty, like, bronzy rose gold. There's, like, pink and gold and copper glitters in there. A one-swipe wonder, this long-lasting liquid shadow mixes glitter and pigment for high-impact shine. I did already throw in some matte shadows from a palette that I'm doing a reveal video on tomorrow because it hasn't even launched yet. So come back tomorrow to see the palette we used. But I'm going to take the eye topper and apply that over the lid. So this formula reminds me so much of the Stila glitter. I'm going to grab a brush just to make sure the edges are clean. And then I'm just going to lightly pat out where that meets the dark brown on my outer corner. That is absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving that color. All right, I'm going to do that on this eye, curl my lashes, and put on another lip, and I'll be right back to talk about the last item in the box. Alright, I am back. Eyes are done. I threw on a lip and my inner corners are highlighted. The one thing I will say now that I'm looking at the one size product, definitely more of a topper. I wish I would have put a shimmer shade underneath it because it's giving me a lot of sparkle. But like I can see when I look close, I can see straight through to where my matte shades kind of blended in. So I either need to go in with more layers of this, which I don't advise because it'll probably end up flaking, or put a metallic shade or a shimmer shade underneath and then use this just to top. Now, it is called the Eyeshadow Popper Sparkle, but it's a liquid shadow, but I think it's more of a topper. Either way, it's beautiful. It just is not something I think I would wear on its own without a shimmer shade underneath. Last item comes from Kosas. This is the Big Clean Mascara. Retails for $26. Not only does this make lashes look amazing, it is good for them too. A few coats of cruelty-free formula gives your lashes thickness, lift, and length thanks to a blend of wax, vitamin oils, and peptides. If you're lash obsessed like me, you will be all about this clump-free volume. So I am going to try this out. I have not used this mascara before. Right away, I love the curved wand. You know I like a curved wand, but the wand is a little bigger than I typically like, so hopefully this doesn't get everywhere. I already curled my lashes, so let's see how it works. Wow. For a brush as big as it is, I think it did a really good job of separating my lashes nicely. It definitely, you really can't see much on camera, and I hate that my lashes don't show on camera really well. But like up close, they are all coated, they are all separated, my lashes look full. It's definitely not giving me volume. Like, it's not thickening at all, but it is letting every lash kind of do its thing. So I'm not mad at it. Definitely want to make sure that it doesn't flake, but it is, as of right now, not clumping, not sticking together, and not leaving that weird buildup on the tips of the lashes. So that's a good sign. Okay, so now that this is on, I can say I think it looks really pretty. I don't think it's holding a curl as much as most of the other mascaras I've tried. The two that I tend to go the most between are the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara and the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara because they tend to hold a curl really well. These gave me a lot of length and a lot of lift, but the curl is just not holding for me. And it also looks like I messed up because that's how long this lash looks. So it's definitely giving me length, which I do really like. So all in all, for $50, this entire box had a retail value of $424. So I definitely got my $50 worth out of this. I think the standout products for me are going to be obviously the Magic Cream. I love the way my skin looks. I feel really like glowy and lit from within. Part of that could also be the 111 Skin Booster. So I'm going to have to play around with this combo more because I actually did not use a tinted moisturizer today. Normally I do. Today I actually used the Jouer Full Coverage Foundation, and I don't look matte, I don't look powdery, it doesn't look heavy. You know I tend to avoid full coverage foundations nowadays because I feel like I look flat, and this combo I think gave me some really nice radiance through the skin. The eyes look really nice. Again, I would probably layer this over a shimmer, but that being said, it is still very pretty. And I'm not mad at this at all. So if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think this box was worth it? Did Khloé Kardashian hit it out of the park? Is Ipsy worth it? You tell me. I personally think that this was a great box, but what do I know? It's just my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!